Alright guys, Dean here from Wheel Hobbies. This is just a quick video regarding my maxx 6S, 8S and upgraded 1/5 scale motors mod at 1.5 gears. Hope you like the video. So this gear here is how a lot of them are sold. If I wanted to, I could put them on the internet and sell them like that if I wanted to. On Facebook, they're not really going to sell like that very well because there's some guys out there that have managed to machine these and do one heck of a job at getting the weight down on them. You know, top job to those guys for doing that. Obviously, me joining the market, I've got to put my own spin on it. I don't want to copy them. It can't be exactly the same. I've got reasons as to why I'm machining my gears the way I am. So, right, so that's how they normally come. That's one of my gears, right? So I'm a firm believer about losing weight on these gears, but I also want them to be strong as well. So at the end of the day, as far as I'm concerned, they've been through my tests, they've been in my truck. I've had no temperature issues with the motor. I've had no castings wear to the plastic castings where the bearings seat. The throttle response is absolutely phenomenal. You know, you pull the trigger on this thing and it just chucks itself on its lid. It'll do backflips. It's better than it ever was stock, and the motor is holding up absolutely perfect, no damage to anything. So like I say, I've tried these first, so people can't turn around and say, oh, they're too heavy, because like this they're not, because I have tried them. Okay, so what we've got is a real nice dish up to like a bullet nose point in here. Okay, I've also done some work on the back of the gear as well, where we've put a slight lip in there, a step up, and then turn this down, which is normally all the way out of here. Okay, so that's what we've done to these gears. I believe they're good enough. They're working really well for me. I've ran numerous GDS racing spur gears and hot racing gears and stock gears, and none of them have lasted. These gears take an absolute beating. The 1.5 mod stuff is phenomenal, it really is. So let's do a test. 171 grams on the gear, how most people sell it. My gear, that's not a finished one, this is a finished one. 118 grams. So you can see. Now what I've done there, that's just a test. I've used some VHT paint, silver on that one. That one's just straight out of the machine. So the reason for that is this is a real old test one when I was messing about with some different ideas. They like to get some surface rust. So I think it's good to use some VHT paint on the faces. Obviously no point putting them in the teeth. If people don't want that, I won't do it. I'm probably going to go with black, is going to be my thing on the colour for that. So yeah, hope you like this video, guys. If you check out my other videos on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You'll see some of the videos where I'm actually testing out my mod 1.5 gears. So cheers for watching, bye bye now.